cool bike. Look at her bike.
Oh, look at tires. Yeah.
Oh no.
He's logging.
Yeah. Vlogging about going to.
So we're going to Target last, but we're going first.
Target?
We're going there twice, first and last?
Yeah.
If you ain't first,
You
you're
last. Wait first, you're last.
And then if they don't have what we have,
the light
the light bulb and the then further down they'll maybe on the left side of the fence.
Still got summer flowers planted.
Yeah. Don't die.
The what?
Got
There's no reason for them to.
Focus.
We did have some cool nights with frost. And it was cold, wasn't it, girls?
Was it raining last night?
Well, it doesn't help that inside it was like 7 degrees because Dad likes to sleep when it's cold.
Oh my god, it was so cold last night.
I love to sleep in the cold.
I had the goosebumps.
You-
And I sleep with 4 blankets.
Oh my.
I woke up freezing. Like I tried to like huddle underneath my blanket like this, just trying to keep warm.
Lauren woke me up, so I'm like, okay, I'll wake up.
And I'm
And then I hit my eye.
off because I'm hot.
No, don't.
You were this morning,
fine.
I woke up and I was out from under the cover and I looked over there and it looked like a big sand dune where all this
See, I go back and forth. I get hot, then I get cold.
Stick one foot out.
Stick 1 foot out, stick 1 foot in.
I've done that too. Sometimes I freeze Papa out at home.
Yee.
And I'll go to bed sometime at nighttime and I'm cold. And I get in bed and I'll pull the covers up on me. And then I get warm and get correct. Then I kick the covers off. I'll pick up a fan, a piece of paper or something and fan myself. I'll walk over and turn the ceiling fan on. Then I read him out.
Hey Lauren, I'm recording sideways. See? I'm recording straight up.
No, I transferred the pictures sort of like
Hey Lauren, look. Now you can do it like
Don't do
this.
that, right? I connected it to the
Always like
Wi-Fi
this.
after
I still have a hard drive that came out of there on an iPad, but I'm going to destroy it.
The iPad?
I get it in a minute. It's a laptop.
The laptop?
Because you have to take out the guy.
Yeah.
I saw it yesterday.
Smack it with a hammer.
Catch him a coat. Smack with a hammer.
Smack it with a squirrel.
Smack. I wanna catch it in the coat. Smack it with a hammer.
We'll go today from Michael if that man comes back to what? Because he's supposed to pick up the car stuff.
This is a journey. We are on a journey to other places. Yeah. Yeah, okay. But you didn't turn off your Xbox.
How's the eye doing?
Good. Cameron didn't turn off her Xbox.
It turns off by itself.
You sure?
Yeah. After an hour, if it's not being used, it turns off.
That's cool.
Because I wanted to make sure it saves. And it saves like every 5 minutes.
Wow, that'd be nice. You'll have 15 saved. Or 20. 15 or 20 saved.
Y'all got sunburned yesterday?
I got sunburned.
Not me.
Well, I got a little